So update, it's almost 11. We just took some pictures, rode around, looked at some more fields. Luckily, we caught a guy who we've been trying to get permission from for years, and we finally caught him, flagged him down. So we just got permission on a great piece of property right across from where we're hunting. So Foster's up in the side-by-side with him. So we'll do a little, he'll give us a little scouting report when it's all said and done. But yeah, we're probably gonna go grab some lunch and then, if I had to guess, come back out here in the afternoon. But yeah, this is a big win for the team, so.
All right, a little update, day 2. Luke killed his bird this morning, and then we went and took a bunch of pictures with it for the Instagram and everything. Then as we were taking pictures, a property owner that we've been trying to get permission on for a couple years actually drove by, and so I got to talk to him, and we ended up getting permission on his place, which is right across the street from the place we were hunting this morning where Luke shot his bird. We've been seeing birds over there in his field, so just got permission on that place, which is big. So I think we're gonna go back to the hotel, get a bite to eat, regroup for a minute, and then head back out and probably try out the new spot this afternoon. It is supposed to be pretty hot, so we're gonna have to be hunting in the shade, and then birds are probably gonna move pretty late, so we'll see what we can do. All right, day 2, afternoon. It's about 3:30. We're heading into the spot that we got permission on this morning, right across the street from where Luke shot his bird this morning. We're up here kind of on the top right now. It's pasture, and it drops off pretty steep to a wheat field that they've just planted in beans, and a creek bottom. So they've been roosting over on this side. Seen them over in these fields in the afternoon, so hopefully we'll get them coming back to roost. All right, it's about 4:15. We just got set up on this big cut wheat field. They've been roosting in these woods behind us, so we're trying to catch them as they're going to roost. We know for sure we've seen 2 gobblers over here and some jakes. One of the gobblers we think Luke shot this morning, so hopefully there's at least one more. But we got tom decoy and a hen decoy out on the edge of the field, so hopefully that'll draw them in, make them comfortable, and we'll get some good footage for y'all while they're out there in this field. So y'all stay tuned. All right, the end of day 2 in Nebraska. We sat on the edge of that cut wheat field where they've been the past couple evenings, and sat there from 4 to 8:15, 8:20, and did not see a bird, did not hear a gobble. It did get really windy, so I don't know if that played a factor, but we're gonna try a different spot in the morning that we haven't tried yet in the morning, so we'll hopefully we can strike up a bird and work one and get one in the morning. It's supposed to be another windy day tomorrow with a high of like 91 degrees, so we're probably gonna have to get it done pretty early in the morning before it gets too hot. But yeah, stay tuned for day 3. Maybe we're hunting the wrong species.
It's pretty good right there. There he is. There he is. Alright, well, we were down in the dumps there for a little bit. Hunted one of the places we'd had permission on this morning and heard a couple of gobbles, but they're far off in a river bottom. So we ended up driving around trying to look for some other birds. Saw a tom, so started looking around that area some more. We saw a bird yesterday in one of these fields that we had been trying to get permission from even years before. And out of the blue, we saw the farmer driving, and he was going to turn off his pivots and swung in. Talked to him for about 20 minutes or so, and he gave us the green light, which is huge because as we were talking to him, there were two birds behind him that we were just watching off in the distance. So we're gonna go back out there this afternoon, see if we can't catch them maybe in the midday. If not, for sure, trying to catch them coming back to roost. So hopes are high now. About to run into town, get some business done there, and then head back out here and get on them. Dude, there's 5 of them. Oh my gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 of them. One, two, three. There's one back there on the edge of the woods, and then 5 right there.
Oh, I see. Baby. Boom! Boom! Let's go!
Oh my God.
Last day in Nebraska, baby.
Oh man.
Boom! Let's go! Let's go! Dude.
Oh.
He was the one that heard the calls. He was the only one, and he'd been inching this way.
Well, dude, did you see the ones?
I was just
There was
paying attention to
one,
him.
that one right there, this one was hauling ball. Oh my gosh.
This towards us?
Yes.
So we maybe could have doubled.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I'm not gonna say yes, but maybe. All right,
Oh,
let's go
dude.
check. Let's go check this guy out.
Woo. Finally, dude. We worked for that.
Yeah. Oh, dude, that's a full. Look at his fan. That's like a full-fledged.
He's really white.
That's like, I think that's almost a full RIO.
Dude, look how big his beard is.
Oh,
His spurs are not great, but
dude. That is a bird
dude,
right there.
the old Rolling Thunderdome. He heard it.
Yeah.
I was having to call as loud as I could in this wind.
Yeah, dude, look at his fan. Oh man, that is a white fan.
All right, so these are the birds that we watched last night from the road. We watched them last night go up to roost here. Watched them go to roost. Snuck in here early this morning. Watched them pitch down at probably about 180 yards, and there was 6 of them out there strutting. Some hens were with them. It's real windy. We were downwind of them, but able to pull one of them, just calling really loud on the slate call. Was able to pull one of them, and he came on a rope. We had to lone hen decoy out. He got interested and came straight in. Came in, shot him. Not really sure when my first shot hit. I've never shot migra out of this gun, but definitely smoked him on the second shot. But he came right in, and couldn't have asked for a better morning hunt, honestly. It's only 6:15, and we are done in Nebraska. Time to head to Kansas. All right, day four in Nebraska. Got it done this morning on the new piece of permission ground. Now we're heading into town to get a bite to eat, and gonna head to Kansas this afternoon, maybe try to roost one there for the morning. But on to Kansas, so hopefully we can kill some more there.